Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to turn off automatic restore on Android. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. This app lets you adjust various configurations on your device, such as network settings, display options, and more. Step 2. In the Settings menu, until you find the About Phone option, tap on it to access detailed information about your device. Step 3. Next, look for the Backup and Restore option. This section is usually found under System Settings or similar categories, and it allows you to manage your backup and restoration preferences. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. In the Backup and Restore menu, scroll down until you see the Enable Automatic Restore option. Step 5. Finally, tap the switch next to Automatic Restore to turn it off. This will prevent your device from automatically restoring data and settings from previous backups. And that's it. You've successfully turned off automatic restore on Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.